Meguiars Ultimate Black Plastic Restore. As you can see, I did it on this right side, and this left side I haven't done yet. It's pretty good. If you know something better, let me know and I'll try it. But don't put it on your step rails. This stuff is slippery. Or do it, but it's slippery. It'll take a couple of days and the slippery goes away. Here I applied it there so you could see what it would look like. I don't know, it's kind of hard to tell, but it is making it a little darker. And it's actually restoring it. I like it. I'm not paid by them. I bought the bottle for $7 a while ago. I don't know how much it is now. Maybe it's $7.99. But there it is in action. I've tried on some stuff and it didn't work. So it's not magic. It just works on stuff that's like a little bad. If it's really bad, this stuff isn't going to do anything. And there it is. Ta-da!